going to show you how to turn on grid snapping in a board in the FreeForm app. First you have to open up the app, and here we already have a board. From here we just go into the top row, click on view, and then we click on snap to grid. And there's going to be a check mark afterwards, and whenever we move an item, as you can see, it's snapping to the grid. So if we have multiple of these, it's pretty easy to line them up and then select the spacing in between them. For example, 3 dots like this, or like this. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.